We're going
straight ahead. Don't jump, Abe, don't jump. Abe, can we get a picture of you? You're gonna stand on that. I'll stand on this one.
I'm not staying on shit.
Hey man, you do it. You don't look like a pussy. Let's hit this trail. Come on, Abe.
Someone's gonna fall at 1.3.
Not gonna be me.
It might be me, to be honest. These shoes don't have grip or anything.
Oh yeah. Whoa. Go straight, no balls.
Go in there.
Yeah.
There's a cave in there.
I'm gonna kiss a bear real quick. There's a freaking white claw in here, dude. What the fuck?
Really?
I hate litter bugs. You know I only go to the top of stuff. This is pretty sick. This is pretty fucking beauteous.
My dial will still be on camera. Oh, fuck. Yeah, time to go. Cool.
Oh shit!
I just hit. Put it on tight. Alright, go for it. I can't breathe. I know. Alright, go, go, go. You guys swim out from underneath it. Oh shit! Hey, dude. Oh, I can't breathe.
Did you sneak in from the back?
I can't breathe. It was so hard to breathe. You breathe in water? Should we? Oh, should we go in through the back, or what do you want to do?
Go to the back, yeah.
You fall.
Yeah.
Be very careful. Here, I'll hold this so you have two hands.
Alright.
Let you go first. Literally, like, don't even like stand straight. Like walk like a monkey, kinda. Yeah. Going in. Oh. Oh. That shit was crazy. They look cool from here.
Hell yeah, let's go.
You feeling all right, bud?
Tired as fuck. Fucking long.
That shit was like, we could not breathe. That's enough of that. That is enough of that. I take my sunglasses off, bro. I couldn't see and I was like, couldn't breathe. And I was like, fuck. That's still awesome, but fuck.